and I'm an environment PhD fellow in the lab of Pavel Kovarik. The lab is located at Masa Ivin's laboratories in Vienna, Austria. I originally come from a small place in Serbia, and I studied in Belgrade at the University of Belgrade, where I finished both my bachelor and my master thesis. The topic of my master thesis was more oriented towards the topic of human genetics. However, once I finished it, I wanted to continue doing a PhD in another field, so the field of immunology, and this is how I actually joined the Environment Network. So what I like the most about the Environment Network is that all of us are doing our independent research, but on the other hand, we have a lot of other groups that are doing research on similar topics, and we're in a very close connection to them. So for example, if I have a research problem or an issue, or I lack some technical expertise, I can always consult the other groups that belong to Environment and get some advice from them. On the other hand, I can also help them with my experience and actually share my knowledge, so that also their research gets better and that their projects evolve more. So I think that the benefit of Environment is this connection that we have and this mutual help that we provide each other.
So much. What do you like about science?
So for me, science is something very intriguing and interesting, and if you look at it, for example, you can imagine a big puzzle and you have all these pieces that are just laying on the table and you don't know what to do with them, and then you start slowly putting one by one, and also other people can help you in assembling this puzzle, and this is actually what we're doing in Environment. We're making this big puzzle of knowledge, so of immunological knowledge, and for me science is exactly this quest, cooperating with people, and also a great adventure. So Janusz, what do you like the most about Vienna?
I really love the multicultural aspect of the city. There are all kinds of different nationalities intermingling, and also there are a lot of cultural events, different foods to taste. What about you?
Yeah, I mean, all the same. Of course, I think this is really a great city, and the standard of living is just amazing. So this is something that you cannot just neglect. But also all of these other things that we can do here, you know, like both cultural side, sports, and everything else, like enjoying gastronomy or something. It's amazing, no?
Yeah, it's great.
And I think we're actually very glad that we're here.
So thank you for your interest in our research.
And of course, we'll keep you posted. Bye!
Bye!
Yes, that's a shot.